cake flour is 1 kg. So I'm going to measure it now to see how many cups we have here, because there are some people, they don't have this type of sachets. They have it in big bag. When I say I used 1 kg, they will start asking how many cups. So today we are going to see how many cups we have in this bag. I'll be measuring it now, so let's do it together. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can join this happy family. And after subscribing, remember to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss any video. Yes, and please like this video and share. If there's any question, you can comment in the comment section. After watching this video, you can also check out other videos on my channel. And in case you don't know, this is cake flour, and my next video will be how to make Nigerian wedding cake or birthday cake. So the cake is ready. After this video, I will upload it. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I will also be showing us on this channel how to decorate your cake. Okay, yeah, I will teach you the very easiest way, so that you will not say you don't have money to ice your cake. I will show you the cheapest one. Yeah, even if you don't have all the equipment or instruments to ice your cake, I will tell you what to do. So please share this video, like this video, so that YouTube can recommend this video. You can see that this one is not full, but you can still call it 8 cups. You can call it 8 cups. Please share the video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people to watch. That is what we have in 1 kilo. For those of you that don't have this measuring cup, maybe it's big cup you have, let me also try something for you so that you know the difference between this cup and milk cup. Let's say this is your milk cup now. It is good we know how many cups are in this 1 kilo. As for me, I used to buy 1 kilo because I would say, I don't even know how many cups I'm going to measure out from the other big flour, the big bag, you know. I'll just buy this one. And maybe I want to use 500 gram. I will just take this flour you are seeing here, the bag. I'll put it on the table. I'll just measure it, you know, and cut it into 2. I'll use my knife, cut it into 2. Then I will say 1 part is 500 grams. I hope you are still learning something. Yeah, that is another way to use half of this bag to bake whatever you want to bake. Put the flour on the table with a sharp knife. Just as an adult, you should know the middle of everything you want to cut. If you don't want to use tape to measure it, just use your own eyes, gauge it to know the middle. Don't lose it, don't open the bag yet. Okay, just use the knife, cut it in between the middle. Half bag, half part of it is 500 grams. Okay, yeah. This is 1 cup, 1 cup. Then this is makeup. I want to measure it now to see the difference. For those of you that don't have this cup, that is why I'm doing it. This is 1 tablespoon. One cup. This is what we got. Makeup with 1 tablespoon. So in case you don't have this one and you want to use makeup, thank you for watching my video. So this is 1 cup. Let's also try something. Let's see. They're almost the same. The difference is that 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is the difference. So this one is bigger than this one. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you understand. If you have any question, comment at the comment section and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Like this video and help me share. Thank you. And please watch other videos on my channel. This is cake flour. I'm going to be making cake. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can support me. Bye bye.